Siddaganga Mutt, located in Tumkur, is one of the Gurukuls. It's a home for many poor children. Here they live and study. Education is the prime importance of this mutt. Mutt has always given importance to rural people. Jatre, which is held every year around Shivaratri festival, is very famous. Street sellers, street food, lights and decorations, cultural activities attracts everyone. One of the important activities which is held during Jatre is agricultural and science and industrial exhibition. Cultural activities include Bharatanatyam and folk dance. Take a moment to subscribe to our channel, show some love and support. It was close to 12 in the night. Still, we had lot of people gathering around. Irrespective of caste or creed, people join hands together. Such events always symbolizes unity and integrity. Rathotsava is one of the main events where thousands of people gather around and take part. After puja and the rituals, people pull this huge ratha and pray God. Though we see huge crowd, there is no room for violence. People from all over the state gather together and celebrate. There is unity in diversity. Mutt also offers food for all the people who have gathered during Jatre. Post lunch, we decided to head back home. Overall, we had a fantastic time.